is Amy Chan from CakeDecoratingSchool.com, and if you like cake decorating, you're in the right place. If you're interested in these products, check out the links in the description. In this video, we're going to be talking about some of our special Russian tips. And these ones, I'm not even sure if they really have a name. I've only started seeing them recently, even though they might have been around for a while, who knows. But they have these great fun wavy slits down the sides. And sometimes these great patterns and different openings. So I'm just going to give them a try and see what they do. So I'm just going to try holding them in a variety of ways and seeing what comes out, just to give them a little tester to help people see what's going on. I'm really excited about this one. It has a little kind of claw shape there, and I'm not even sure what that's going to do. So the best way to see what a tip will do is just to go ahead and use it. And if you're not sure, then my suggestion is always to give it a try and hold it at a variety of angles. This one is giving me these great wavy ruffles, and they're kind of organic. They flop around. They look really cool. Just put that one off to the side, and let's pick another one. So we've got this one that has this kind of almost triangular or diamond shape openings to it. So I'm excited to see what it's going to do. Oh. I mean, that is just, I don't know. It reminds me of candy. It's a little cool, wavy, geometric at the same time if you look at it from that angle. Just gonna try. Let's see. I'm gonna give this one a try because I think that I need to hold it with the openings down, but I'm not totally sure. So I'm gonna give it a try and see what happens. Oop, openings up. I'm not even sure how to describe the pattern, but it's really, really awesome. So I could see using these to decorate the sides of a cake, doing really cool borders, or even just a series of concentric circles on the top of a cake. They have a really just diverse set of openings that could be used to accomplish a lot of different things. I think they'd add a variety of various borders and other things to your designs. This one, ooh. It's just like a really cool shell pattern. And I think I hit on something when I was using this one, where you can actually use them on their sides. think if you vary how you hold the tip in relation to the surface that you're piping on, you can create a variety of patterns. So I use the same tip for this series of lines as I did for that one. So just by rotating how I'm holding it, you can create a series of kind of cool wavy lines and ridges. And actually, I'm having a lot of fun playing with them. So I would say they're definitely a great buy, and something that if you're looking to add some variety of some cool different shapes, textures, and waves, that these Russian tips are a good little investment that's actually relatively low cost. If you like this video and you'd like to check out more about cake decorating equipment or materials, or if you're just interested in some ideas about cake decorating itself, you can follow us on Insta or YouTube at Cake Decorating School. If you'd like to sign up for yearly membership, or you're more interested in what it's all about, you can visit www.cakedecoratingschool.com for more information. And if you're interested in these products, you can check out the links in the description.